So there is such a stigma around men not being able to wear makeup. And I found over the years wearing certain products just gives me that little bit extra confidence that we all want. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple products every guy can use that are going to give you a really nice, natural, undetectable makeup look. So first of all, you want to do your normal grooming routine. So if you use a serum, a moisturizer, any of that, you can do that first. And then the first makeup product we're going to go in with is a concealer. Now, one thing I would say is when picking your concealer, just make sure that the shade is correct. You want to go a slight bit lighter than your natural skin color. I'm using one today from Beauty Pie, but I can do some recommendations down in the comments box below. Now, all you want to do is just go in with a little bit of the product just underneath your eyes because we want to brighten up that area. For me personally, I get quite dark circles, so we want to just remove that a little bit just to make you look more fresh and awake. Then we want to go in with a beauty blender. Make sure you wet this first because my biggest error when I started out doing a bit of makeup was having it dry and the product just sticks to the beauty blender and then just comes off your face. So it defeats the object of putting the product on. And then we're just going to go in with the corner of the beauty blender and just blend it into your skin. You can go into the corners of your eye as well. As I say, I get really dark in those corners. Maybe I'm not sleeping in enough. That's my bad, or drinking enough water, but there is products out there that will help hide that. If you're someone that has a really busy job and you don't get any sleep, or you've got kids. So I know it's quite nerve-wracking going into a makeup store or a department store and asking for makeup if it's not something you're confident about, but going into store is the best case on your first time using makeup if it's your first time, because the people are there to help you and they're not going to look at you in any other way other than like they want to help you. So they can help you pick out the right shade. But if you don't have that confidence yet, that's fine. You can just go online and try and pick at it as best as you can. So this next product is one of my favorites because it's not heavy. It really kind of touches base more on grooming than it does on makeup. It's just a tinted moisturizer. We just want to add a slight tint to our face to even out our skin complexion. I really struggle with blemished skin, so I just want to hide that a slight little bit so it still looks natural, but we have a nice kind of evened out color throughout the face. So this one I'm using is from James Reed. It's called First Light. When you see it, you're going to be like, oh my God, that looks dark. You'll see the results. It doesn't look like that. So we're just going to put a bit on the hand, as you'll see. Very dark. It's not going to look like that. And what this product actually does is, I'm going to look like a warrior. It actually, how's the right way of putting this? It interacts with your skin in a way that it blends to this color of your skin. So there is only one shade in this product, but it blends in, as you can see, very natural. And then it will just take to the color of your skin. As I say, to even out the skin complexion without looking like you've got any makeup on. And I pull funny faces while applying it. I want to go in on the neck as well, just a little bit, so it all blends into the same colour and it doesn't look disconnected. Obviously with the eyes, you don't want to go all the way up to where you've just put the concealer because you want to brighten that area, but you can just go around kind of where you've done so it blends in together nicely. Okay, now I've blended that all in. See, I wasn't lying. It sits very naturally on the skin. Now, you don't have to use all these products. You could just use 1 or 2 of them, but I find this routine of all 3 products just sits perfectly. But the last product I'm going to go in with is one of my favorites. It's the mattifying powder. It just sets the products into place and it just adds a matte look to your face. Now, again, there is different shades in this, so you'll have to find the shade that is right for you. I can put the one that I'm using down below, but literally it's just a powder. It's got a little tint to it as well. And I'm just going to go over the face, pulling funny faces again. And you'll see that, again, it just evens out the skin complexion, but also it just mattifies your face. But not too much that it looks over the top. You don't want to go in too much with this. You literally just want to brush around the face and the neck as well, just a little bit. And there we go. Easy. 3 products, simple, undetectable, natural. People are probably going to comment like I've had before, I can't even tell the difference, what's the point? That is the point. The point is those products are just used to even out your skin tone, hide dark circles, hide spots, and be undetectable. So this is the fully finished look. I'm going to put a video up there as well of when I started this video, just so you can see the slight difference in it. But honestly, the point of it is to go out and no one to know you're wearing it. Obviously, you can tell people if you want, but if you don't want to, no one's going to know. Now, as I said, I'll link all the products that I've used down in the description box. And if you do have any questions at all, please let me know in the comments. And that's it. Super easy, natural, undetectable makeup for the everyday man. And yes, men can wear makeup.